In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect the Tekelek ultrasonic Wi-Fi sensor to a Wi-Fi router and then ultimately to TankScan. First, press the button and hold it down for 5 seconds until the LED shows red. And then you can come into your smartphone or your PC and you can look at your Wi-Fi connections. If you're already connected to a Wi-Fi connection, disconnect it. And then you see this Tekelek device has shown up here. It's a local Wi-Fi connection, so you can see that and you can connect. Then from your web browser, you can enter the IP address for this Tekelek monitor. It's 192.168.4.1. And you see the Tekelek page come up. Then you can select the connection that you want to connect to locally, and you can type in your password. And you can connect to your Wi-Fi. You can confirm that the message from the Wi-Fi ultrasonic sensor is getting all the way to the portal, and you can confirm the measurement is reading correctly. Or you can call tech support line and they can confirm this with you and make any adjustments for risers, etc. So thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.